Let us see how to solve percent problems by using a number line. There is not much difference to solving percent problems by using bar models. So what we should do first is to make the number line to have two sides. One of it will have the percentages and the other side will have the numbers. So you begin with the zeros for the 10 for a percent and 10 for a number, and in this case the problem is to find a number whose 75% is 12. So what is that number? That's the question. In fact, 100% of the number should be known, so that is 100% of the number. Now 50% should be at the center and 75 should be in between 100 and 50. In order to get to know the number, we should first get to know what is 1%. And to get a percent, 1%, you simply take 75, you divide by 75%, you divide by 75, you get 1%. So this is what should happen there. Approximately 1% should appear where there is greenish color, and you will take 12, you divide by 75 to get the equivalent number to 1%, that is 0.16. 12 divided by 75. Now if 1% is known, %1 times 100 will make 100%. So 1% times 100 is 100%. The same will apply to the numbers. You should multiply 0.16, which is equivalent to 1%. You'll multiply it to 100, so that is going to be 16. So problem solved. The number should be 16 if 75% is 12 of that number. Okay. Take some time to note down this problem and do the same as we did there to obtain the number. In fact, here you are given 9% of 45 centimeters. Now the question is, what is that number? Whose 9% is 45? So take some time to do it. You may do it alone and then you may share with others. So pause the video. We are not going to discuss this. So look at this other problem here. A mass of 50 grams is decreased by 17%. What is the new mass? a mass of 50 grams is decreased by 15%. What is the new mass? That's the question. So you should start thinking what percent is equivalent to 50 grams. So just to begin, you place the two sides of the number line, the percent side and the whole number side. So you have 0 and 0. Okay, 100% will be equivalent to 50 grams. So on the whole number side, you place the 50 grams. Now start thinking about the 17%, which is to be decreased from the 50 grams. Coming back to the percentage side, when you decrease 100% by 17%, you will obtain 83%. So you have 83%. After that is a percentage point obtained after 100%, which is equivalent to 50 grams, is decreased by 17%. So we want to get the 83%. How do we get it? First of all, we will have to obtain 1% of, which is actually 83 divided by it is 83 divided by 83% divided by 83, and the equivalent amount 1% of the 50 grams will be obtained by taking 50 divided by 100. So 50 divided by 100 will be approximately 0.5. So the equivalent amount to 1% is 0.5. Okay, think now how you can obtain the amount in grams equivalent to 83%. In fact, the exact amount which is there is 0%. So in order to obtain the 83%, you need to multiply 1% by 83%. And in order to get the exact amount in grams, you should do the same. You should multiply 0.5 by 83. And what is that amount? That is 41.5. So problem solved. The new mass after decreasing a particular amount, after decreasing 50 grams by its 17%, is 41.5. Thank you.